Now, right now, as I'm doing this video, the NEO stock price, as seen on the screen, it's trading at $7.77. This is a year-to-date high, which is something that is very, very great. I mean, you will notice that this $7.77 is also up 7.77% as I'm doing this video. And this comes after NEO reported, or we saw NEO insurance registrations hitting an all-time high, which shows us that the new era for NEO is among us. The new era for NEO is here. Some people that were doubting if NEO will pull this through, they now realize the massive potential that lies within the NEO stock. And they are doing whatever they can right now to accumulate as much, because what we saw today on the insurance registrations that I've already given them to you on a video before this one, it was something that some people were not expecting to see, because what we just saw from those figures, it is quite certain, or it validates and confirms that we are going to see NEO delivering not only an all-time high monthly delivery tomorrow or figure tomorrow, but they are going to deliver within the guidance that they gave during their Q2 earnings, which so many people after first, second, and third insurance registrations, they were not believing that NEO can get this far. And seeing this, it shows you that we are indeed on the new era for NEO. Now, this $7.77, which is the share price that NEO is currently trading at, it is around 70.33% year to date. And in the last 52 weeks, NEO is up 16.02%, meaning that as compared to the share price that NEO was trading at last year, this time, the share price of NEO is up 16.62%. And from January to today, NEO share price is up 70%. And this could mean that we could end the year probably on a plus 100% of NEO gains that are witnessed from January to December, which is something that is very, very good. This share price explosion, it is calling and whispering an $8 share price. I think we are going above $8. This rally is calling for $8, and I think the path is clear. The road is clear. I don't think there are any hurdles that will stop us from getting to $8 share price, which is why I'm very excited, which is why I am happy about what I am seeing on NEO today. I mean, NEO is one of the companies that has been beaten down for quite some time, and seeing them giving this performance just after a couple of weeks and 2 months before this very same stock was trading at $3.60, it is something that is very, very good, and it shows you that you can never really time the market, right? You can never really time a stock, because the upsurging that we are seeing on NEO started exactly after the pre-launch of the Onvo L90, which is NEO's sub-brand. I mean, NEO's market cap right now, it's around $19.26 billion. Couple of months back, just 2 months ago, we were talking of NEO having a market cap of $7, $8, saying that it's way undervalued. And can I tell you something? This $19 market cap that NEO has, it's still very low from where it is supposed to be, because NEO tomorrow, when they announce the deliveries for the month of September, they are going to deliver more than Leoro for the second month in a row, which shows you that though Leoro is still profitable, what NEO is doing now in terms of deliveries, in terms of revenues, they are going to generate more revenues than Leoro. They are going to generate more revenues than Xpeng, even though Xpeng's deliveries are expected to get to 40,000, right? Even with that, NEO revenues are going to be more than Xpeng. I mean, you saw on during the Q2 earnings, or during the Q2 deliveries, NEO total deliveries were sitting at around 72,000 cars. Xpeng deliveries were sitting over 91,000 cars. But if you go and look at the total revenues that both companies generated, you will notice that NEO still generated higher revenues than that of Xpeng. And this is because most cars that NEO is mass producing are quite expensive as compared to the cars that Xpeng is offering. I mean, NEO main brand cars, the cheapest model that you can buy is 298,000 RMB or around $42,000, whilst with Xpeng, the model that is doing the most, the Mona 3, starts at around $16,000. Now, this is what gives the revenue gaps, or that brings up the revenue gaps between the two companies. But I'm not here to talk about Xpeng and NEO. All I was just trying to show you is that the market cap that we are seeing onto NEO is still very far off from where it's supposed to be trading at, because Xpeng's market cap, I think, it's around $23-24 billion, which is still higher than where NEO is currently trading at. And I think, as per what, of course, even Union Bank of Switzerland said, we would be getting closer as the time goes by, or as we go in the Q4, we'll start to see NEO closing in the gap between itself and Xpeng because of the massive recoveries that we are seeing onto the deliveries. But anyways, I don't want to make this video too long. I am happy about what I'm seeing in the markets. I think you should too, because NEO, it is that company that, of course, we've been talking a lot about on this channel. Please, before I forget, don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to hit or click that notification bell, because YouTube tells me that some of you guys have not subscribed as yet. I mean, it is so crazy to see, of course, some of you guys coming and watch here every day and you have not subscribed. So I would really request that if you have not subscribed, you consider subscribing, hit or click that notification bell, because all day, every day on this channel, I give you NEO's latest content, latest developments as to where NEO is at right now and where they could be in the future. And this is very important to the new investors, to those that are long and strong onto NEO, because one mistake, someone might feed you wrong information and you decide to sell your NEO holdings at a loss, or thinking that NEO has done the most, there's nothing much to be done, and you end up losing on the massive potential that is coming, or the massive rewards that NEO will give to those that are long and strong. But again, these are just my opinions. These are not professional financial advice. If you seek PR advice, you already know what to do by now, and that is you need to go out there and consult the professionals. But anyways, let me end this video here. I will see you on the next one. Blue sky is coming, long term will win, and those that are persevering throughout the headwinds of the share price are going to be rewarded with time. I will see you on the next one, my dear friends. That is all from me, and God bless you all.